1,000! Let's go! Did you hear the... Let's go! 1,000! Check it out. I was in this walkway and I caught a firefly. Whoa, look at the little guy. 1,000 subscribers, you never forget! You never forget! What's up, folks? It's your boy Greg, and I wanted to film a night walk through a night market today, but unfortunately it's raining. I don't think you can tell from here, but I'm here at the Argyle Red Line. I was all souped up ready to walk through this night market, and yeah, it got rained out unfortunately, so, but what can you do? And I appreciate you so much for checking me out. Hopefully I know I'll have another bigger video soon. Yeah, I've had a lot of delays recently with weather showing up when I didn't expect it, or not showing up when I expected it, or health things, or, you know, all kinds of human stuff. But I have plenty of plans for this summer and beyond, and I'm really excited to bring them to y'all. Yeah, I just can't believe I never really thought that, you know, 1,000 people would be interested in watching me walk around, but proudly second monitor content. And anyway, I just want to say thanks everyone so much. Honestly, all your support, comments, likes, all that stuff really pushes me on. So from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it. As soon as I stopped filming, the rain picked up crazy style. Dude, what the hell am I doing? How am I gonna edit this? I don't know. We're going through tunnels together in my mind's eye. Wow. Massive puddles in the station. Let's go. I took the train a couple more stops and to see a friend of mine, and look at this. It's like practically going sideways, man. Well, I arrived just in time to get wet somewhere else. But I also noticed, you know, while I was on the train this way, a couple more things I forgot to say. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this now. But basically, I started this channel to just provide some chill ambiance for folks. I used to watch a lot of these videos when I was in a real downtime in my life, you know, and this kind of stuff brought me up, just watching someone walk around and show you life in a new place. So, you know, as I'm always saying, truly, if there's a place you want me to go, tell me where, and I'll do my best to do so, you know. I gotta get that line down. One of these days I'll get it after 100 videos, maybe. But it's too bad that my current video got rained out. But I think I'm gonna try to enjoy being wet and in the rain and just living life.
Outbound train from the route will be arriving shortly.
And I guess a train's a coming again. Much love. Appreciate ya. Look at this rain, man. It picked up crazy. I decided on my walk, while I hide under places, RIP Holiday Club, I might as well get some just random shots of the rain. It's actually quite beautiful when you're not directly in it. But yeah, I don't know, maybe people enjoy just some chill rain footage. I'm kind of just stopping at every corner and watching stuff, so anyway. 1,000! I also realized, isn't this gonna be great? My hat's gonna be going backwards and forwards. Continuity be damned. Alright. We only got beef in Chicago, baby. We got beef. Roll the clips. again, thank you so much for the love on the videos, the comments, the likes, everything. It really means a lot to me. So I hope you guys stay safe and dry and all that good stuff. And I hope to see you in the next one. Peace, peace.